morning from Fort Myers Beach. It's a lovely Tuesday morning. We're going to go walk on the beach this morning. Great, beautiful morning out. Walking down to Fort Myers Beach from our condo. Beautiful morning. We're shelling along the beach. We're finding some nice shells. We know we should go to Sanibel Island, but we don't feel like it. We changing shelling locations because we saw people with their shell bags. Oh, there's a dolphin right there.
Oh my God, so
There's a dolphin right offshore, so we stopped shelling to look at the dolphin. This is the view. What is this view? This is the view looking back into the marina towards Fort Myers from Fort Myers Beach from our condo. We're gonna go watch the sunset now. There's a little bump out. Some dirty windows there. Another day, another sunset. Sarah's showing me a turtle. That's cool. Another beautiful day here. We hung out at the beach, we hung out at the pool, we hung out in the condo. Now we're just watching the sunset and collecting a few shells. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. It is our last full day here at Fort Myers Beach before we go back home. We're going to do some shelling. Up early, about 8 a.m. Another beautiful morning. Lots of people up shelling. Pretty impressive. Doing some shelling here at Fort Myers Beach, and we found a few conch. We think they're Florida fighting conch. This one was empty. I don't think that's a Florida fighting conch. I think that one's different. This one has a little guy in it. Yeah. It's got a visitor in there. Sarah wanted to make a sand sculpture. I spent 2 minutes reading on the internet. Let's see if this internet research pays off. Wednesday afternoon. We've been hanging out at the beach all day, working on our sand sculpture, playing in the water. Warm enough for us. I think it's 77 degrees maybe in the water. We picked up some floaties at Publix down the street. A little breezy today, but it's nice. Fort Myers Beach, end of December 2021. There's the turtle. Head, tail. It's a bit after sunset. Here we are, 10 floors up. It's really pretty.